Scrat, Soto and Ratchet. Welcome to my house. But anyway, today is your punishment day. First punishment, you eat rotten beef meat in kitchen.
Ah, it's so disgusting.
Ah, it's so disgusting. Ah, it's so disgusting.
Second punishment, I gave you beating up by Charmander. Third punishment, you're take a cold shower.
It's very cold.
It's very cold. It's very cold.
Fourth punishment, I put your cell phones on microwave. And now, I press start button. And now, I'll stay away. Yes. Scrat, Soto and Ratchet cell phones are destroyed. But anyway. Last punishment, I calling police to arrest you when you're in the jail until old. I throw your destroyed cell phones from microwave to trash can. Later. Scrat, Soto and Ratchet. Your guys under arrest for making a fake VHS openings. Your guys come with me and you're in the jail until old. Harri. Thank you for give Scrat, Soto and Ratchet a punishment day and arrested until old.
You're ungrounded for life.
Meow meow.
Go to want even your want. Thank you Dad, Party and Cuddy the cat. Your three are the best. But my mom going to Vietnam for a beach holiday for 2 weeks.
Wah. Scrat, Soto and Ratchet it's also arrested.
Yeah. I agree. Wah.
I don't care, but they are grounded forever.
I agree with Jesse. And you'll live in this jail forever. But anyway, we leaving now. So goodbye Eileen and Simon.
35 years later. Year 2061. But I not made this character's old versions, because it's very boring. But anyway. They are dead now. But in reality, that doesn't happen, because Scrat, Soto and Ratchet escape from jail soon. But anyway. This topic it's finally over. Yeah! The end.